Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change language on Outlook app on an Android device. Okay, let's turn to the tutorial. First, you can open your Outlook app on your device. Okay, after that, here you can tap on this icon. And then click on Settings option. After that, here you can scroll down. And then you can select Language option. Okay, after that, here you can select the language as you need. Well, that's the tutorial on how to change language on Outlook app on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.